Hi, Marian Wulffleff here. I've been a member of the Wilton Singers since 1994. That's 26 years of making music with dear friends, thoroughly enjoying each other's company, and always being ready to feast together. This is a recipe for the Caponata that was served at the send-off party we had before our singing tour to Italy in the summer of 2019. Caponata is a delicious Mediterranean appetizer or side dish made of eggplant, celery, olives, and capers. It can be served hot or cold, and it's particularly yummy for a late summer meal served with a crusty baguette and a glass of your favorite beverage close at hand. It always starts with eggplant and celery, but feel free to add other ingredients you may have on hand. Chopped bell pepper, carrots, or dice up a fresh tomato. Sliced almonds can be substituted for pine nuts for that bit of crunch. To start, parboil the celery for 2 minutes. Drain and set it aside. Rinse the eggplant in cool water, wipe dry, and cut into 3/4 inch cubes. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil until very hot and saute the eggplant in batches until lightly browned. Remove with a slotted spoon and set aside. In the same pan, saute the onion until soft and golden. You may need to add additional olive oil. Add the celery and tomato paste to the onions. Simmer for 10 minutes, stirring often to prevent it sticking to the pan. Heat the vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small pan until the sugar dissolves. Add this along with the eggplant, capers, roughly chopped olives, and pine nuts. Stir to mix all the ingredients together. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes, stirring often until the eggplant is cooked and the mixture is thick. Serve with crusty bread, crostini, or water crackers. I like to put the remaining caponata in glass canning jars to store it in the refrigerator. It makes a great hostess gift.